Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol MSTX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. So today was a pretty crazy day. What do I think about the chart? Well, it depends. What do I mean by that? Well, if you are a day trader and you bought right there and you wanted to sell within 7.2 seconds, then yeah, for you, the chart's looking pretty rough. If you care about the big picture of things, then sure, today the price did pull back, but big picture being the key word, then the bulls still have plenty of opportunity to build a higher base. And how do you form those, nice long upwards, long-term uptrends? Well, you got to put in those higher lows. And like I said, the bulls do still have a chance at that. So I'm going to be talking about things from more so the big picture perspective. So yeah, I mean, like I said, if you're a day trader and you bought somewhere up around there, some things that I could be talking about may seem absolutely crazy, but you got to remind yourself, what was your strategy going in? So first area of support to keep an eye on is 14 cents. You can see quite a bit of price history around here. Today, bulls did a good job holding, and then during the final 30 minutes, bulls once again did a good job holding. And this really kind of just illustrates the whole big picture thing. So let's say the price comes down here a few more times and bounces around before heading back up. Sure, if you're a day trader, you don't want to see the price. You could care less about the price down here around 14 cents. But from the big picture perspective, if this becomes the new set of lows, well, where's the previous set of lows? Well, down here. And where's the previous set of lows before that? Well, down there. So if you picture each one of those as stair steps, you can see that the stair steps are still progressing in the upwards direction. And that's the name of the game, from the big, grand scheme of things perspective on it. So 14 cents, that ideal level, but really the simplistic way to keep an eye on this is just to watch that purple line there. That is the 50-period simple moving average, meaning as long as the price is up above that purple line, then the bulls are in full control, full health, no questions asked. Now, what about levels of resistance? Now, sure, this level up here and, up above 22 cents is the level of resistance, yes. But before you even, let that any sort of thought of that come into your mind, the bulls first got to prove themselves. And I'm defining prove themselves as getting back above this level here at 18 cents. You can see after the price fell back below that point during the first 30 minutes on 2 separate occasions, both there and there, try to get up above it, but couldn't quite do it. So yeah, sure, 23 cents is a level of resistance. But before you talk about 23, bulls first got to get up above 18 cents. So a pretty crazy day today. It'll be interesting to see how the rest of this week all unfolds. Still 4 days left. One of the most common questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.